Asikacaci isibalo sabantu abasavaleleke kulesi sakhiwo esibhidlikile njengoba kusatakulwa izidumbu kulesi sakhiwo. Kanti kunzima kulabo abasizayo.
The hardest part about the rescue effort I see here is when we came, we find out I was here. They brought out 2 cubs, and it's not really good. I felt bad about it. I think that would say that's the most challenging aspect. Finding that people are still trapped in there. It's not.
Njengoba kuqhubeka ukutakulwa kwezidumbu, indlu yenxusa lakuleli eNigeria izama ukuhlonza izakhamuzi zakuleli. Khona manjalo umfundisi uTB Joshua usebonge bonke ababambe iqhaza ekutakuleni izidumbu. Uthi lenhlekelele iyishwa elikhulu.
I want to salute you and also to thank you very much for your love and your prayer and your support. Let me also remember engineers and the humanitarian group with their equipment. For some days now, I want to say thank you once again for your support. Rescue from different bodies. I will not be able to measure them. Different bodies. You just see people from everywhere. I will call it different body. And their equipment as well too. Let me remember the doctor. What a wonderful people. All over. I cannot say, not even Nigeria alone, all over, doctors everywhere.
Kukholakala ukuthi bangamakhulu amathathu abantu bakuleli abebengaphakathi kwesakhiwo ngesikhathi sibhidlika.